I'm gonna be honest with you right now. I'm cheap. I don't like to waste time, and I don't like to waste the money. I like saving my money. Going on vacation. Take a look at some of these pictures right here. Like that time I went alligator hunting in the Everglades with my bare hands. That was fun. Or the time I won that NASCAR championship. I just love my hair in this picture. But my favorite vacation was probably that time when I saved those people in that small fishing village from that pesky man-eating shark. FYI, that was with my bare hands too. But really, time is money. So today I'm going to show you a really cool tool that's going to help you work faster, make a little bit more money, and then you can take those awesome vacations like the ones I just showed you. Alright, here's what we usually end up doing. We have a drill for our drill bit, we throw it in, and then we move on to make our pilot holes, whether it's in wood, metal, whatever. Now if you do have an impact driver or you have another drill, you'll throw your bit in that other one to drive the screws down. Or we'll just use the same drill, take the drill bit out, put your driving bit in, and then of course you lose the drill bit. Where is that damn thing? I know I had it around here somewhere. Oh yeah, there it is. I hate it! And then you just continue that process over and over and over again. You lose your bits. You gotta have an extra driver on hand. Ugh. And that's where this comes in. Shiny. That's right, it's another cool accessory from Dewalt that you might not have known existed until now. Or maybe you did, I don't know. But we bring a lot of these cool accessories and bits to the channel, but you'd know that if you were subscribed. I'm sorry, I just get upset because I miss you and would like to see you more on the channel. So get subscribed. Alright, but anyway, this is called the Dewalt Drill Drive Accessory System. It's the number 10. They have different sizes. We'll talk about that here in a bit. However, on the back of the package, it will tell you the different size drill bits it's compatible with. They also have a few different sizes of these, so don't freak out. You see, what this thing does is actually allows you to kill two birds with one stone. Poor little birdies. It actually allows you to use one tool instead of multiple tools to do the same job. Hence, it's faster, no more losing drill bits, and no more secondary drivers needed on site. And this is how it works. Alright, so I got my drill and my Dewalt drill driver accessory. The driver accessory will simply go into the chuck of the drill. Alright, now check this out. On the one side you have a drill and a countersink. This is built in on the one side of the tool. But before I show you all the other cool things that this Dewalt accessory does, let's make a couple pilot holes. So I got 3 of my countersunk holes, my pilot holes that I want to drill my screw down into. But instead of having to worry about taking this out, going and finding my drill bit, putting that in, taking it out, and then putting back in my drill bit again, well, watch this. That's it. Now that I flip that around to my driver bit, check this out. And that's real nice like.
Real nice like.
But not only that, maybe you hate the Phillips bit like me. All you gotta do is pop that stinky little monkey out of there and replace it with whatever bit you want. And yes, Canadians, we don't have Robertson bits in the United States. But if I wanted to use a slotted, a Phillips, a Starhead, whatever, I could. But if you were wondering, yeah, you could use different size bits if you wanted to in this. And that's also real nice like. But not only that, check this out, it's magnetic. What? And yes, I know it's not going to work on stainless screws, I get it. But still, mind blown. And here's more cool stuff. It comes with an Allen wrench. You can change the bit if it dulls out, or you can change the size. Now, all you have to do to change those or pull that out, reverse it, is pull the collet down. And that'll pop off. You want to change a bit, just throw it in like so. And that's it. It's magnetic, it'll hold it in there. And just as mentioned before, you can throw those larger bits on. Goes in real nice and snug. It's ready to work. And it really does a great job doing that countersinking. And again, when you're done drilling out those pilot holes, just flip it over and you're good to go again. Yo, and that's it. So many cool features about this adapter, this accessory. I just thought it was really cool, wanted to bring it to the channel and let you check it out. So what I am curious about is, have you ever used this adapter, or have you ever used anything like it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? I would love to hear your feedback, so leave me a comment in the comment section below. You know, another couple other things that I really like about this is, one, it's a little bit longer, so it'll give you a little bit more reach. It is a little bit thicker, so if you're in those really tight areas, it might give you some issue. But the build quality on this and the ease of use, it's fantastic. It is really built well. So all in all, I think it's a great little tool. Again, you throw it into your drill. It allows you to work a little bit faster. Don't have to worry about losing your bits all the time. Don't have to worry about all the different drivers. I definitely think it's cool. Now, I am going to leave a link in the description below for you. I think it only runs like $16, so it's really not expensive at all. If you liked this video, or if it helped you in any sort of way, please don't forget to smash that like button, as it's greatly appreciated. Come say hi to us on our Discord page. I'll also leave a link for you there. And if you like these types of tools, don't forget to get subscribed, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on anything else coming your way. I'll put a couple more videos right here for you to check out. And with that, we'll be back with more videos soon.